Welcome back to my channel today. We're going to tackle a subject that's crucial for your health, or should I say, liver. We're diving deep into the 5 best foods to help you repair your liver naturally. If you're serious about getting back on track and giving your body the care it deserves, then hit that subscribe button and get ready to learn. Please note, this video is for informational purposes only and not a substitute for professional medical advice. First up, we've got leafy greens. Spinach, kale, the lot. These aren't just any greens. They're superfoods that can make a world of difference to your liver's health. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these greens are like little powerhouses of nutrition, helping your liver function at its best. Think of your liver like the kitchen of your body. It's working overtime, filtering out all the rubbish you put in it. Leafy greens help to neutralize toxins and get rid of waste products, leaving your liver sparkling clean. Spinach is loaded with glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that protects your liver and supports detoxification. Kale is a good source of fiber, which helps keep your digestive system moving smoothly, taking pressure off your liver. Freshness is key when it comes to leafy greens. Wilted spinach with garlic, lemon, and olive oil not only tastes amazing, but also enhances the nutritional benefits. Or crispy kale chips with sea salt and black pepper. A fantastic, healthy alternative to regular chips. Get creative in the kitchen. Incorporate these liver-loving greens into your diet, and your liver will thank you. Next up, we're diving into the fascinating world of fatty fish, a true treasure trove of nutrients. We're talking about the likes of salmon, mackerel, and sardines, the kind of fish that would make your taste buds sing and your body rejoice. These beauties are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for a healthy liver and overall well-being. Now, omega-3s, they're like the fire extinguishers of your body, always ready to douse the flames of inflammation. They help to reduce inflammation, which is crucial for keeping your liver in tip-top shape and functioning optimally. Inflammation, you see, is like a constant low-level fire burning in your body, silently causing harm. Over time, this persistent inflammation can cause serious damage, and your liver is not immune to this destructive process. Salmon, in particular, is a superstar when it comes to omega-3s, offering a rich source of these essential fats. It's also a fantastic source of high-quality protein, which your liver needs to repair and rebuild itself, ensuring it stays strong and healthy. Mackerel and sardines are also excellent choices, packed with flavor and nutrients that support liver health and overall vitality. When preparing these delicate beauties, don't even think about overcooking them. Overcooking can destroy their delicate texture and valuable nutrients. A light sear on the skin, a squeeze of lemon, and perhaps a sprinkle of fresh herbs. That's all you need to let the natural flavors shine through and keep the nutrients intact. Grilled, baked, or even smoked, fatty fish should be a regular on your plate if you want to give your liver the love it deserves. Incorporating these nutrient-dense fish into your meals can make a significant difference in your liver health and overall well-being. So, gather your family, enjoy a delicious meal, and know that you're doing something wonderful for your liver and your health. Omega-3s to the rescue, indeed. Now let's dive into the world of nuts, particularly walnuts. These little powerhouses act like the bodyguards of the nut world, shielding your liver from harm. They're loaded with antioxidants, healthy fats, and fiber, making them an excellent choice for liver health. One of the essential nutrients in walnuts is vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps protect your liver from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause chaos in your cells, but vitamin E steps in to neutralize them, like a true superhero. Walnuts are also a good source of glutathione. Remember that little fellow we mentioned earlier? Glutathione works tirelessly to detoxify your liver and keep it functioning at its best. So next time you're feeling peckish, grab a handful of walnuts and give your liver a tasty treat. Don't be shy with the nuts. Add them to your breakfast yogurt or oatmeal, sprinkle them on salads for a satisfying crunch, or enjoy them as a simple and healthy snack. Your liver will thank you for it. Olive oil liquid gold for your liver. Now let's move on to a kitchen staple, olive oil. This versatile ingredient has been a part of Mediterranean diets for centuries, and for good reason. This liquid gold is not only delicious, but also incredibly good for your liver. Its rich, smooth texture and robust flavor make it a favorite in many dishes. It's packed with healthy fats and antioxidants, that can help to improve liver function and protect it from damage. These nutrients work together to support your liver's health in multiple ways. One of the key benefits of olive oil is its ability to help reduce liver fat. Excess fat in the liver can lead to serious health issues, but olive oil can help mitigate this risk. You see, when your liver is overloaded with fat, it can't function properly. This can lead to conditions like fatty liver disease, which can have long-term health consequences. Olive oil helps to break down this excess fat and improve your liver's ability to process fats effectively. By incorporating olive oil into your diet, you can support your liver's natural detoxification processes. Olive oil is also a good source of polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that help to protect your liver from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants are crucial in fighting oxidative stress. These little warriors help to reduce inflammation and keep your liver healthy and happy. Inflammation is a common issue that can lead to liver damage over time. Remember, not all olive oils are created equal. The quality of the olive oil you choose can make a significant difference in its health benefits. Look for extra virgin olive oil, which is the least processed and contains the highest levels of antioxidants. This type of olive oil retains more of the natural compounds that are beneficial for your liver. Use it generously in your cooking. Drizzle it over salads or simply enjoy it with a crusty piece of bread. The possibilities are endless, and each use brings its own set of health benefits. Your liver will thank you for it. By making olive oil a regular part of your diet, you're taking a delicious step towards better liver health and overall well-being. And finally, let's talk about garlic, the liver's secret weapon. Garlic is a powerful food that can help repair your liver naturally. It contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes, which help your body flush out toxins. Additionally, garlic is rich in selenium, a mineral that boosts antioxidant action, further supporting liver health. Incorporating garlic into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to enhance liver function and overall well-being. So the next time you're cooking, don't forget to add a clove or two of garlic. Not only will it enhance the flavor of your dishes, but it will also give your liver the support it needs to keep you healthy. Remember, your liver works hard every day to keep your body functioning smoothly, and it deserves all the help it can get. Outro, until next time, stay healthy. There you have it, you lot. 5 of incredible foods that can help to repair and rejuvenate your liver naturally. Remember, a healthy liver is essential for a healthy body. So start incorporating these foods into your diet today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future health tips. This concludes our video on the best foods to repair your liver naturally. Thank you for watching and take care. Until next time, stay healthy and keep those livers happy. And remember, a balanced lifestyle with regular exercise and a nutritious diet is key to overall well-being. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more health tips. Stay tuned. Until next time, stay healthy and keep those livers happy.